Hi friends, I am back with new wonderful video lesson series which is Microsoft Word 2016 Online. Microsoft is providing new cloud-based services. So now you can access particular Office suite from anywhere, anytime on any computer device like your tablet, mobile, laptop, computer and many other devices. When you are using cloud-based software, then there is no need to install any software. This is the main benefit of cloud-based software. You don't need to install anything, means anything. You just go to your favorite browser, open office.com, log into your account and start working. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, any Office suite software. And it will be saved to your OneDrive, storage space provided by Microsoft.com. So this is wonderful feature, cloud-based feature provided by Microsoft. Many other companies like Google, Zoho, Adobe are providing cloud-based software. So there is no need to install. You can just go anywhere, find PC or laptop and start working. You can access it on your laptop, tablet or PC. So this is main benefit of cloud-based software. So in this video lesson series, we will be learning about all online services provided by Office.com, in which we will learn Microsoft Word. We will see each and every feature of online version of Microsoft Word, how you can save it in your OneDrive and you can use it later. So this is very primer introduction to Microsoft Office. Before we go further, let's just log into our account. Click on this sign in button. First go to the office.com website and click on this sign in button. It will take you to the login panel. Enter your email address. It will take some time to log in. Now enter your password here. And that's it. Once you log in, you will be able to see all the online services, online apps provided by Microsoft. One is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Sway, Mail app, which we have seen in Windows 10 video lesson series, People, which is a social app provided by Microsoft, Calendar app, OneDrive and Docs.com. So these are some online apps provided by Office.com. So click on this Word because we will be learning about Microsoft Word in this video lesson series. So click on this Word icon and it will open up Microsoft Word online series. So here are some samples or templates to create new document. We will be learning about what is document, what you can do with document and what are the features to create new document with very graphical rich content. So I am just clicking on to this new blank document and it will create new document on which you can start working. So it is opening Word Online. So this is it. So as you can see, Microsoft Word is not installed in computer, but still you can use all the features provided by Microsoft Word in this online version. So this was just introduction. We will be learning about many things in future lessons. So I'll be back soon. Thank you very much.